Suggesting that still just a little more time. He's wondering if he is going to put 10 minutes. He looks that way. What a great game. All the players out there giving it absolutely. Pleasure to be here and watch this. It really has. Everyone's loved it in the stadium.
Hey! Look at it! Referee! It's finished! He's referee! Referee! That's it!
That's the height of optimism at its force.
Hey, referee's gone!
tum na tum bergazi ambor nyem te heavy. Come on how? Wula kenya venya adanka ye tum la 247.